Okay, Bill, so you're estimating C plus 11, 72. I would be a very happy man if we end up with a total anywhere near that. Let's see. Okay, so this is the most common mistake on the paper. It isn't 250 cubic millimeters. A cubic millimeter is really small. If you have a look at your ruler, 1 millimeter is one of those little gaps. So a cube made out of that would be about the size of a grain of sugar, probably. You get more than 250 of those in a teacup. That is what they're looking for there. 60 is fine. 11 on the first page. Well done, that's good. And so is that. Excellent. 8 marks. Obtuse, 12 centimeters cubed. Well done there. This one, perpendicular, means at right angles to. So take your plastic ruler, take one of the lines in the middle, line it up with a line, and slide your ruler until it goes through point C. The edge of the ruler is then at right angles to, perpendicular to the line. Impossible, unlikely, even. Good. 6 for that page. Excellent. Excellent. This is going really well. 9 for that page. Uses second class. Very good. 39 hours that week. Fantastic. 11 marks there. Wow. Divide by 4 times by 3. Right, I'm going to penalise you here because it isn't n equals, it's just 21 plus 4n. So you lose a mark there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is correct. That's wrong. No method there. What you need to do for your method is 798, and rather than timesing by 0.84, dividing by 0.84. 8 for the page. That's great. This one's wrong. So with this one, the total number of girls has to add up in fractions to 7/7. That means you've included them all. So 1/7 is footy, 4/7 is volleyball, so that, which is hockey, must be 2/7 to add up to 7. So hockey is 2/7, and you know that that is 30 girls. So if 2/7 is 30, 1/7 will be 15, half of it. So all the girls will be 7/7, which is 7 lots of 15, which is 105. So that is something that we did practice back in January, I think. 1364 is correct. Now here you have got your decimal point in the wrong place. Your decimal point needs to be there, £181.41. Then for yours, your 5% is 18141.2, 907.6. That's correct for your mistake. So adding that on to 18141.20 is that, and then adding on to that another £21.15 is correct. So the only mistake you've made is putting that decimal point in the wrong place. So out of those 5 you're going to get 4 marks, which is really good. That's good. That's good. Your line of best fit needs to go through 3228, which is there. You haven't marked that on, so I may have to take a mark off you for that. Let's just check. Right, because you haven't marked that mean point on, I can only give you one of the marks for that. So you're going to lose a mark there. Positive is correct. 25 is 22, that's correct. So 2 marks there. That is good. This isn't SOHCAHTOA. You don't have to worry about SOHCAHTOA in Foundation T-A-BIL. That is right. What you need to do now is Pythagoras. You've got a right angle triangle. So that is going to be 27 squared plus 36 squared. So 27 squared. We will be practicing this. We did it back in October. So that's 2025. And then to get it back into non-squared version, you would have to do the square root of it, which is 45. So 45 is what you're looking for. 7 for the page. That is 11. That is 48. Fantastic. Those are correct. For this one, we did practice this the other day. You have to work out what that rule comes to if n is 40. So it's going to be 3 times, instead of n 40 squared, take away 25, which on your calculator you type in exactly the same way. 4775. 2.5 is too big, 2.3 is too small, 2.4 is too big. So the answer must be between 2.3 and 2.4. You've tested it. That's too big, so it's the smaller. If that's too big, it's smaller one. If it's too small, it's the larger one. So you've only lost the 1 mark there for making the wrong decision at the end. Well, that was a really strong paper. You're reckoning 72. Yeah, let's see how close you get. 11, 19, 25, 34, 45, 53, 57, 63, 70, 77, 83. Wow. Well, Billy, if you can keep on firing at that kind of performance, you will absolutely smash this grade C in the summer, and that will make us both very happy men. Well done.